Unveiling the Joy of Honeymoon Booking, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic: honeymoon booking. Whether you're planning your own post-wedding getaway or just curious about this aspect of English culture, you're in the right place. Let's explore what honeymoon booking really means, and why it's such a special phrase in the English language. The term honeymoon booking refers to the process of arranging a vacation or trip immediately after a wedding, known as a honeymoon. This is a tradition where newlyweds celebrate their marriage in intimacy and seclusion. Here, booking implies making reservations for accommodations, flights, or any activities that the couple plans to enjoy. The honeymoon is seen as a time to enjoy each other's company, often in a romantic setting, away from the usual demands of life. The honeymoon is not just any vacation. It's a celebration of love and the beginning of a marital journey. It offers couples a chance to relax after the hustle and bustle of wedding planning and ceremonies. Traditionally, it's a time for the couple to bond and build beautiful memories together. The term honeymoon itself has a sweet connotation, suggesting that this period is like the moon, at its honey, the sweetest phase. When it comes to honeymoon booking, here are a few tips to make the process smoother. Start early. Booking in advance can help you get better deals and ensure you have plenty of options to choose from. Be clear about your budget. Knowing how much you're willing to spend will guide your choices and help you avoid overspending. Consider a travel agent. They can offer valuable advice and make the booking process less stressful. Think about what you enjoy. Whether it's adventure, relaxation, or exploring new cultures, your honeymoon should reflect your personal tastes as a couple. We hope this video has shed some light on the joyful process of honeymoon booking and what makes it such a unique and exciting experience for couples. Remember, the most important part is to cherish these moments and create lasting memories with your partner. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your English learning journey. Stay tuned for more insightful videos.